Hi, welcome to PHP tutorial. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL. It is case sensitive, the link is case sensitive, the URL is loaded here. So this video we are going to talk about Ajax. Okay, so we scroll all the way down. Alright, we're going to do our first Ajax example in this video. Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript XML. Please note that it is not a programming language. It's not a programming language, and it's definitely not a new one. It has been around for a long time. Okay, it is actually an existing standard that first developed really long time ago. I believe it's 97 or 98, which is allow the web pages to exchange data with a server, update part of a web page without loading the whole page. Okay, so for example, if you let's confirm that which year Ajax actually came out. You can just quickly Google it. Okay, yeah, 1999 it first came out, first appeared. Okay, so it's kind of an old technology that's built into all the other technologies. And before you know Ajax, obviously you should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP because you have been watching PHP videos. All right. So some of the things like when you go do searches like Google Map. And when you try to type something like you want to go to Austin P State University, you type Austin, here actually updates automatically. Okay, and you can see this side of the web page actually did not change. So you are only updating part of the page. So such features is a signature of Ajax. So in our other examples, we normally send something to the second page, and then something happens. For example, in our example 3 was a very good example. We want to do something. The first page, okay, is this input, and then you type something, and then it actually gets sent over to the second page. Okay, so this is the second page, the process. So the whole page changes. So such things may not be very convenient if you have a nicely built website with a title and with navigation and everything. You just want to update a small part, which is a very normal thing for web developers to do when you're asked to build part of a website. You don't want to load the whole thing, you just want to update maybe this part of the web page. So what you're going to do, you're going to use old technology, 1999 technology called Ajax. Okay. All right. To show this example, we are going to start example 003. Okay, I'm going to skip example 001 and 002. These are Ajax examples. Don't mix up the number with the big examples, the big PHP examples. Like this one is 10, right? But that is a PHP example. But this is my Ajax example. Okay, as you can see, we are going to do a very simple page, okay, eg003.html. So this page is when you type something, the time here changes, okay, which is a very simple example of how you can change part of a page without reloading the whole page. As you can see, this page never changed. All right. Another one is you type everything, but nothing happens. But if you click somewhere else, the time here changes. Okay, so you try to get the time to put it somewhere on a page. Okay, and you can see you can do this using JavaScript, no problem. So actually, we start the whole thing as a JavaScript example. All right. Okay, let's do that. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is you start the environment. You start your XAMPP. You don't really need MySQL database. Okay, you just need Apache for this example because we are not using MySQL database yet. But I'm going to start it anyway just in case I forget in my next video. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to open your File Explorer. Okay, open your File Explorer, go to your C drive, temp, myPHP, and these are, oh sorry, I click on Python, myPHP. Okay, so these are all the pages you have been doing. Alright, and then you obviously can see this from the localhost myPHP here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Alright, so we have all the files ready to go. And to separate our example from other examples, we're going to create a new folder here. So right click here, new folder. We're going to create a new folder called Ajax examples. Okay, so if you reload here, you should see Ajax examples coming up. So we are going to pull our example 003 here. Okay, before we start, we are going to create. We're going to create two files. Okay, the first file is eg003.html. This one inside we just have JavaScript and HTML, of course. We're not going to do PHP here, but this file is going to call another file, eg003_time.php. This one is a PHP file to show the time. Alright, so this file, HTML file, is going to call this file and then get the return output and replace a tiny small part of the HTML file. So this is what we're going to do, and of course we're going to do Ajax. So before we actually move on, we are going to create this file first, because this file is really easy to create. So we come over here, go to Ajax examples, and the output is here. Ajax examples, we are going to create a new text document called eg003_time.php, and open this, right click Notepad++, and we are going to create a really simple file that actually shows the time. Okay, I'm sure that you know that time use date function, so this file only have PHP, there's nothing else. And we are going to echo date. In this day, we're going to put hour, minute, and second. So you will get, reload here, you'll get output the time. So of course, when you reload, the time changes, right? So I didn't set my time zone or anything, okay? So, and I didn't run this on the server, so the time is really weird. Time is like 4 a.m. Right now it's 9 p.m. Okay, by right you should set a time zone and all that. But I'm just showing an Ajax example. I don't really care right now. Okay, so so we have that file. Okay, let me go back. All right, so we have that file. The next thing we're going to do is create a HTML file to get the time. All right, the video is getting a bit long, so if I start to do the eg003, probably it's going to take another 10 minutes, and YouTube probably doesn't like videos of probably don't like long videos, so I'm going to keep this video short and at below 10 minutes. So I'm going to end this video here, but in the next video I'm just going to continue from here. I'm not going to reset up the environment or everything. Okay, so that's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon. Thank you. Bye.